Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. In this video, we are talking about why Amazing Marvin overwhelms users. Even though it's a very capable task manager, this is about flaws or bad decisions. It's about what happens when flexibility meets everyday work. This is Amazing Marvin's homepage. For those who don't have, the link is in the description below. For those who have, let's join in. Amazing Marvin is built around choice. From the start, you're presented with strategies to enable planning models, prioritize system, motivation, and behavior tools. Each feature makes sense on its own, but together they create an option overload. Instead of seeing tasks, you see decisions. Because Marvin allows so much customization, many users feel compelled to keep adjusting. And they keep adjusting up until they no longer know what to adjust. When something feels off, the instant it isn't to act, it is to reconfirm. So the systems keep changing. This week is a new plan. Next week is a new plan. The other next week is a new plan. Automatically, you're changing systems instead of actually chasing goals to be done each and every day. That's when overwhelm comes in. You keep changing systems for a long time, you end up not even setting your priorities and your tasks. And over time, that affects focus. Instead of asking, what should I work on right now? You start to ask, is this task set up correctly? Should I make it more strategic? Is there a better way to track it? Attraction shifts from doing the work to managing the work. Overwhelm isn't caused by tasks alone, it comes from constant decision making. When every task requires thoughts before action, momentum slows down. And when momentum slows long enough, people disappear, people feel stressed, frustrated. Amazing Marvin is best suited for users who enjoy designing systems. For others, the mental load can quietly become too much. Having a lot of systems like this, having a lot of lists that go nowhere, no scheduled, nothing. If you go in today, you got in your inbox, you got seven things you have to do. You go to your today's, you got three things you have to do. The first thing is always schedule out your tasks. Make sure that each and every day you at least have five tasks that you want to complete. As you can see right here in your today's, you've already added like three. That is good, but I'll encourage to add just a bit more. Two more should be quite okay. You just add your tasks like this. Automatically, once you go into your today's section, these are the number of things that you have to accomplish today. This is duplicated. These are the number of things that you have to accomplish today. The smaller the task you do, the smaller the system you keep, the much better you will be able to complete the task. And it will not make you feel overwhelmed because, as you can see, this is simple. There is no options, no customized, no labels. It's just simple tasks written down and waiting for you to achieve them and to do them. And also, Amazing Marvin, once you add the date that you do this today, the only thing left for you right now is to set when are you going to do it. Once you have said that I'm going to do this in 1 hour and 30 minutes from now, when 1 hour and 30 minutes from now hits, you start doing the task. After your task is complete, you come back here and you just hit a tick. Automatically, you have completed the task. And if you scroll down, completed tasks today are here. And you get good points for doing that. For context, This is the approach we take at LemTask. This is our homepage. For those who don't have LemTask, the link is down in the description below. Once you click on the link, it will take you to this page. You sign up, full name, email, password. If you do have a promo code, you can create an account alongside with it. For those who do have, let's sign in. This is where daily execution is done. LemTasks dashboard. As you can see, there are so many features that helps you track your productivity, it helps you track your momentum. Also, as you can see in my dashboard, I can see how many tasks I have to do. I have to do 3 tasks today, and also it shows me current trend. So this is LemTask dashboard. It's so good to track your productivity. So I'm gonna go to Braindom and just give you an example of how I create my tasks using the voice feature. Working today with my CEO. Once I just do that, I just give it a type. As you can see, the date is still today. Then I will just have to add specific time that I will meet with my or that I will be working with my CEO and give it a priority, and I just add it like that. So I'm just going to add a last one. Have a client meeting today. So by telling today, I'm literally telling that I'm doing this today and already has already scheduled a date for me. I have to schedule the time, priority for me, and I just add it like that. Once I add it and I'm done, I go into my today's inbox. Once you are here, you just have to scroll down. As you can see, work with my CEO, have a meeting with my CEO. So automatically, they or have a client meeting working with my CEO. These are the tasks that I added right now, and these are the tasks that I'm going to do. So the voice feature already scheduled what I must do at what time and when. So what's left for me to do is right now when the time hits, I attack that task. Once I'm done, I just give it a tick to represent that everything is done and I get my points for productivity done and task completed. And I just completed my task just like that. Overwhelm doesn't mean the tool is bad. It means the tool is asking more than the user wants to give. Understand the difference helps you choose the right system. Stick with it.